welcome back to my channel. It's Leslie Shelton Walters. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you do click that subscribe button and that you like what you see here. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for rocking with me. So you know what time it is. Yesterday I got a Temu delivery. So we're going to figure out what I got, whether it's worth keeping, whether or not. So if you do not have the Temu app downloaded, all of the information will be below, or even if you do, all of the links for everything that I got will be below and you can check those things out. But if you have not yet downloaded Temu, go ahead and find the coupon code. It's going to show up right here on the screen, and it's also going to be pinned down in the description box. And you can get a $100 coupon bundle off of your next order if you have never downloaded Temu before. So that's for a new user, and there may also be some coupons down there for time-honored users as well. So go ahead and find all those links below. So we're going to go through like the small items first, and then we're going to go into the clothes. But of course, you know, it wouldn't be a Temu haul without my nails, because I have nail wraps that I like to put on my natural nails. These are Temu nail wraps that I have on right now. So I got some that were themed for Christmas, because Christmas is coming up in a few months. I got these. So if you can see, it's gonna be, the pink is gonna be the nail bed, and then the white snow effect is going to be, it's going to be like a French manicure, but a Christmas French manicure with a Christmas tree, and it looks like holly leaves. Will that even, I don't know, that may not, but with holly leaves and berries and a little snow effect. I'm wondering what those will look like. We'll see. It also comes with the nail file, so usually they don't. And then another Christmas themed one, also snow and Christmas trees. A little bit of a different, there's also, I think, like there's a snowfall motif. So snowfall, Christmas, trees, snowman, and then that's all going to be on the nail bed, and then the nail itself will have the snow effect. But yeah, I think I like this one better, but both of those will be used. Then I got these, which are, you know, a little reminiscent of the ones I have on here. It's interesting how this color scheme is different than this one, so it'll be kind of a mix-match effect, because all of your nails will have somewhat different colors, and your right hand will be different from your left hand, which is interesting. I guess I didn't realize that was the case, but that's what those will look like. And then this is the last one. This is my favorite just for every day. I think that that flower sunburst motif is going to be really pretty on the nail. It's just gonna, I think I'm gonna do this one next, because I just think this is so gorgeous. So I haven't found any fall themed nails. Maybe I should be looking for those. I haven't really been looking. But yeah, next I have a pair of sandals. Yes, I know it is out of sandal season, but I had these in my cart for a while. I really wanted kind of the dupe sandal. I'm not sure if these are dupe or May sandals or what exact brand, but I saw these in other reviews, and you're not going to see them on my feet because I'm in the process of, in the middle of a pedicure. I have not put on my new Temu press-on nails for my feet, so I have not done that yet. So my nails is looking tore up and you can't see them. So just imagine, these look really pretty. Like, they're really nice and elegant. They're a really good quality sandal. They don't look like they're gonna fall apart in the rain, okay? So, and I just love them. And they're really comfortable as well. There's just like a little bit of padding to them. It's not like your foot is just slapping the floor. So I'm really excited about these. I don't have any brown colored sandals, so these are gonna go with a lot of fall outfits as well as next year, spring and summer. because it's still hot out here where I am. So that's that. And then I got these sunglasses. Now I'm excited about these sunglasses because they're actually metal. I've gotten Temu sunglasses. I think every Temu sunglass I've got so far looked metal in the picture, but then they were plastic when I got them. These, I looked so closely at I was like, okay, I'm getting a pair of metal ones, not plastic. And these are metal. As you can see, they're not my favorite ever, but they're cute. But I just love that they are like an actual quality sunglass. To continue on with the shoes, I love this one. And these were not expensive. They were under $10. I think I found the ones that were on sale and snagged. So you go ahead and find that link if you are looking for a nude heel slingback, okay, for fall, and you don't want to spend 20-30 bucks. So comfortable, so affordable, so cute, so cute. Just simple, and it's not smooth at the bottom, so you're not going to go slipping and sliding. This is a well-made shoe. Next, I also am very excited about this shoe purchase. I got these boots. Okay, now they don't have a heel to them. They are flat. Here's the bottom. So again, you're not going to go slipping and sliding. I don't know if I'd wear them in ice, but definitely look at this. They have a zipper, and this zipper is not your cheap quality. It's a quality zipper. It's not your cheap zipper. I would have paid way more. I'm not sure how much I paid. I'll put the links and see all the price below. Easily zips up. Not tight on my calves, because sometimes I've had boots that are tight on my calves, even though my calves are not extra huge. So there's some room. There's room, and there's slouching. There's a quality zipper, and when you put them on, they are like walking on clouds. They are so comfortable. I can't actually put my brain around the fact that I bought this shoe at Temu, because I could have bought this shoe anywhere and it would have been a good quality shoe. So far the shoes, because I've gotten some shoes from Temu that were a little questionable and they had to go back. So yes, thank you Temu. These shoes are gonna do it, and I'm gonna be wearing them throughout the fall, pairing them with all kinds of different dresses and lovely different outfits. So continuing, I bought this Christmas sweater, and I thought this was so cute. It says, "Out here looking like a snack." Now, I've just recently, I think last year, I tried one of these Debbie Christmas snack cakes, and I was like, these things are delicious. Where have I been all my life? These things are good. Just last year I tried one. So yeah, they will become my favorite Christmas snack. But look, it's holding a Stanley cup, and it has a crossbody bag. Like, this is so cute. So I had to do the red. It comes with all different colors. I had to do the red for Christmas, the red and green, and it's just too cute. It's just too cute. I have it on over here. I thought I have it on with a pair of jeans that I got in my last Temu haul, and I'm going to be wearing those jeans for a couple of outfits. But yes, it's not the only thing I have. The only beef I have with this is I thought it would be a thicker material. It is very thin. It is kind of like that thinner polyester sweatshirt with no lining. But what I have found is that even though it feels thin, when you do wear it, it actually is pretty warm. So don't despair. This was only like $6. So you're gonna get what you pay for. You're not gonna get a big fleece sweatshirt. You're gonna get one of these for that price. But I figure, you know, you're wearing it for 1 month out of the year. Next, I got this This is such a versatile shirt. It is so like just plain. Because Paris, France, that's all it says. It's a Paris, France shirt. It's a white, this is very, very soft. This is a very soft material. This is gonna be great. This is like suede. This is so soft and so comfy. So I have it on in this picture, and you do have to tuck it in. It is just an iron-on transfer, so it was you know, one of those iron-on transfers on here. That's how they got the Paris, France there. I just thought it would be very cute if you wear, you know, your jewelry, you zhuzh it up with some jewelry, necklaces, chains, bracelets, and you pair it. You could pair it with jeans, you could pair it with, oh my goodness, I can't even think, a skirt, a dress, you know, like you could just kind of, and heels. So yes, the jewelry, maybe a skirt and heels, just bring that up, elevate it. Very, very beautiful. So I thought there was just so much you could do with that shirt. Next was this sweater. And this was the sweater that I really wanted in my last haul, but it was sold out and I couldn't get it. They returned me my money, so I put it in this order. And I just think it's just a very elegant, classy, timeless upscale sweater with the buttons. It is a little cropped, just to let you know. It is not like full length. It hits just maybe right above the hip, mid torso, but it just has very good detailing, you know, like that weaved, I don't know what you would call it, the weaved design that is on there. Yes, and these are not, oh yeah, they are actual pockets. They are actual pockets. Just really great to put together with an outfit, to make it look classy, make it look businessy, make it look, you know, country club a little bit, you know. Okay, last two items. I really love this shirt. This has been in my cart for a little while, and I finally pulled the trigger on it. But I just thought this was a great fall blouse to wear. You can wear it with khakis, you can wear it with the shorts like I did in this right here. You can make it casual, wear it with jeans, or you can upscale it. I like how it's not a button-down shirt, but it gives the impression of a button-down. So you have that parting in the middle and the split V-neck. There's no buttons on it, you know, in the front. There's no buttons. So it's just that split V-neck, which kind of gives you the same impression as a button-down shirt, but it's not the same. There are buttons on the sleeves, so you can, you know, wear it like that, or you can unbutton it and roll the sleeves up. I have it paired with this pair of shorts that I had in my last Temu haul, and just, you know, just very classy and elegant. Now this next one, you're gonna have to let me know whether you think I need to take this back, because it just wasn't what I thought it was going to be. This sweater, it's very, very comfortable. So it's a sweater. It's not that itchy sweater material, so it's not itchy, which is a good thing. It's actually very soft, very cashmere, very, very, you know, very nice on, very warm. Not cheap at all. But I just don't like, it has a poncho detail. I just don't like that it's open on the side so that you have to wear like a tank top underneath. So when you spread your arms out, it is so wide that it has a true poncho look to it. So I'm considering sending this back, although it will slightly break my heart because it is so warm. But I don't, you just see how wide this is. I don't love the wideness and the poncho look. I thought it was going to be more, a tiny bit more fitted. But You know what? Let me know in the comments what you think, because you saw it on me. What do you think? Let me know. All right, that's it. We're done. That was the Temu haul. Very short, very sweet, but beautiful. Thank you. Let me know what your favorite thing was. And also, I hope you do check out all of the links below. And yes, definitely click that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified of when I upload. Goodness, let me speak. Get notified of when I upload any new videos. And I love the Temu hauls. I love the shopping hauls. So definitely click that bell if you want to be notified for my next Temu haul. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.